up at the patch. Gonna have a go at flying the Luobo, and fingers crossed things go well. I'll try and remember everything I've been taught or read about anyway, and we'll see how we get on. Cheers. Taking off uphill. Hopefully that blade will straighten out in a moment. Here we go. Oh! I was going for it then and not doing a test hop, which I sort of forgotten to do. They should open out all right. Let's see. There we go. I'd write rudder on then to try and correct it, because I probably wasn't going into wind. I'm going to try a hand launch, just go for it. Yeah. We want a bit of wind.
I think we need to be a little bit tighter.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, I have got an Allen key, but something's broken off. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's just the hatch. We might be all right still.
Yeah. I'll say that.
Oh, the battery's embedded. Oh, it's not actually embedded.
Grass,
yeah. Yeah, they can definitely do it tightening up. Nothing's broken now. Okay. Put that back in.
Do you want to pop down and tighten them up a bit? Or?
That battery's quite warm actually, surprisingly. Let's just pop that on. Push it down a bit.
Yeah, the problem with the Autogyro is when you're going with the wind, you lose the force of the wind in front, you know?
Yeah, right.
The airspeed drops a lot.
Okay. I'll just test it. Oh.
Switched off? Motor switched off? Or?
No, it's the...
Oh, the whole lot's gone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, let's just plug that back in again. ESC's quite warm. Let's just come back in clean, eh? Odd. Ooh, that ESC is getting terribly hot. I'm going to unplug it. Now go back and have a look at some things here.
Well, it was in the air.
It was in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you're going this way, with the wind behind
Feel
it.
that ESC, that.
Oh yeah, bummy, yeah. Yeah.
That's it. It's too hot to touch it. Hasn't been doing that, so maybe something's just happened.
Yeah, servo jammed or something.
Yeah, I've got another plane, but I'll play with this for a minute.
Yeah,
And I'll tighten up the rotors.
it's an experience, isn't it?
It's good fun.
They are different to fly.
Yeah. Well, if you remember, all of my Maidens up here start in a similar fashion, and then
Get better.
yeah, that's it. Well, for some reason, guys, I've got full throw on the servos, and I plug it in and they won't go back down. They're metal geared, so I'll have to take them apart and see if something's happened. It's funny how they're both up though, both jammed in the same position. It's strange. Mystery still. We got a little bit of flight, so we'll have a look at that and have a laugh and try again. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Morning, guys. Day after the Luobo fly. Had a chance to sleep on things a little bit. I've just taken out one of the servos, put it on a servo tester, and nothing. So I'm just going to take it apart and we'll see if I can see why it's jammed up. I've taken the head off of the servo, and sure enough, the metal gear is fine, but the plastic gear underneath it is stripped out. There's lots of little teeth here, look, kicking about. So unfortunately, these lovely little servos are shot. It's all very well, isn't it, having metal gear servos, but it's the weakest link which is going to break. It's only that cog there actually, and I'll wager it's the same on the other one as well. I'll take it apart just in case I can make one good one up, but what a shame. It's a steep old learning curve, this Autogyro lark, isn't it? So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to, once I get these servos sorted, I'm going to feel a lot more confident. I thought the hand launch went quite well actually, and it's a tough little aeroplane, that's been proved, so, or Autogyro I should say. So yeah, I'm quite happy with how it went, so I'm going to make these few little changes and I'll have a look at the servo and we'll talk again in a minute. Cheers. Right, servo's replaced and she's good to go again, so we look forward to the next test, whenever that may be.